blew a paper across the street. Yesterday, the city swayed exhausted by the heat. Yesterday I smiled for a little while, 'cause yesterday I knew the day was mine. Your eyes shone, reflecting all the ebony of your hair. By your side, like an overpowered schoolboy standing there. Because looking in your eyes I could see everything I'm wanting to be. I know that life doesn't give me much to hold on, I don't mind. Just some childish dreams, which by now I should have left behind. But the only thing I really wish to do is always to be standing close to you. Now today, the wind has changed direction in the street. Now today, the gravity's returning to my feet. Now today the birds aren't singing just for me, and yesterday becomes a memory.